Hello YouTube, let's learn how to append new content to existing content inside of some textual file. Important thing to note between W, which is for write mode of operation, and append is that well, both of these operations, they will create file if there is none, but W will remove basically everything from existing file. It will always create new file, and for append, of course, the new content will be added. I mean, this is just, simple theory, nothing really special. So let's create some handle for our operation. Handle or F, you can use F, something really abstract. So every time when you are messing around with file operations, you're gonna use open. Open demands two arguments. The first will be file name, in this case append test txt, and mode will be A for append. And when you're dealing with files, it is always good idea to close your file. But in between, we need some useful stuff. So fwrite, you're gonna use fwrite or just write. It is not important if you're appending or overwriting or writing to file. You will use just write, so you don't put append here, just write, and based on mode the Python will do the job for you. We'll pass some string here, some string, and because there will be multiple lines, you will just put here slash and n. Okay, let's run our thing. Everything is fine, cool. Let's check if the if file is actually there. Of course it is, and file with some string is here, so that's fine. Okay, let's add something more. For example, couple of lines. Yeah, we can copy paste stuff here. Some more lines, something like that. I'm not creating tonight anyway. And let's run our program, and result will be well, what we need. New files are added. I mean, this is so simple, I can't even, figure out some, example where you can use this. It is so simple, it is straightforward. So definitely now you know how to how to deal with textual files. Let's recap a little bit. So if you wanna read that file, you're gonna use R, and let's read that content, fread, but that's not enough. You need to put the results of that in operation somewhere. For example, in storage, something like that, really not important. And you will then print that storage, which will hold results of read operation. Let's print it. F5, run F5, whatever, and there you go. Nice. You're gonna use read line if you wanna use only one line. If you wanna print only one line, for example, print F read line. Let's run it. Some string, okay, and it depends how many times you call it, you will get appropriate results. And always is good idea to close your file after operations. If for some reason you make some kind of error, you're just tired, you put W, what's gonna happen now, even without any operations in the middle, when you run your little script, everything will be fine for Python, but for you maybe situation will be a little bit difficult this time, because content there is none. So pay attention, it depends from situation to situation, but always create backups, create some kind of archive, mess around with data, with files that you're ready to lose, or even on PC you are ready to format. The best stuff is to play around with things you don't care about. Well, at least in case of programming, while you're learning, if you have, means for that. So anyway, that's about it. 5 minutes tutorial, maybe 6. Now you can know how to mess around with files. As always, thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.